Magandang umaga po. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Department of Justice at umattend po ng press conference bilang paggunita sa unang anibersaryo ng Refugee Day. Ito po ay isang forum kung saan dinidiscuss ang mga dapat gawin sa ating mga refugee o ang mga stateless. Sila po ay nag-uusap kasama ang DOJ, ang UN High Commissioner on Refugee, Supreme Court at iba pong mga ahensya. Ito po si Alvin Murcia, nag-uulat para sa DOJ.
Undersecretary who is representing the Secretary of Justice, Undersecretary Raul T. Vasquez. Thank you to everyone who are here today to help us launch this auspicious event. We are thankful that you have all joined us in launching the Philippines' first ever commemoration of National Refugee Day.
As your Secretary of Justice, I am in solidarity with the country's strong and storied humanitarian tradition of welcoming those who seek refuge in our homeland. From the time we welcomed White Russians in World War I, the Holocaust refugees in World War II, the East Timorese refugees who fled during their struggle for independence, and recently, the Rohingya people from Myanmar. We Filipinos are renowned for our hospitality, and this extends especially to vulnerable individuals in need of safety from war and persecution. Through the very first commemoration of National Refugee Day today, the Philippines sends a strong message of our continuing commitment for our long humanitarian legacy of opening our doors and providing support to people who have crossed international borders to seek safety and protection. As head of the DOJ, I would also like to take this opportunity to commend everyone at the Department's Refugees and Stateless Persons Protection Unit, RSPPU, for their hard work and dedication in implementing and expanding the protection space for people seeking international protection.